Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore Van UK, the channel where we test out the best gear, tech and travel tools for life on the road. Today we're checking out the new Engwe EP2 3.0 Boost, the latest version of one of the most popular folding electric bikes out there. Engwe say this new model has more power, better range and improved handling, so we're going to put it through its paces, from unboxing and setup to real world riding, hill climbs and seeing how it fits into life on the road, so stick with us. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. If you're looking for an e-bike that's compact enough to take with you, but powerful enough to handle proper adventures, this might be the one. So let's find out if the Engwe EP2 3.0 Boost sets a new standard in rugged folding load lugging electric bikes. Let's get on with it. Available in both forest green or the black that we have, the EP2 3.0 comes with top-end features like hydraulic brakes, fast charging, 75 Nm of torque and a torque sensor, giving a super smooth ride rather than bikes with cheaper cadence sensors. As always with all the Engwe bikes we've tried, it arrived well packed and with simple to follow instructions for final assembly. The fat tyres are suited to both on and off-road riding, and the 7-speed Shimano gears make for an easy ride with hydraulic disc brakes, making it easy to stop. With front and rear lights with integrated reflectors, the lines of the bike are kept clean, and an integrated horn means no need for a bell. That rear carrier is rated for up to 25 kilos, and the full mudguards protect you when it's wet or off-road. The easy to read display lets you know which of 5 power assist modes you're in, and that innovative boost button applies full power when you need it. And the high quality metal pedals give you confidence in the bike's strength. The 48 volts 13.5 ampere hour battery claims a range of up to 120 kilometers on power assist level 1 or 80 kilometers on power assist level 5, though it can be recharged in a staggering 3.5 hours using the supplied fast charger, which can charge the battery on or off the bike. One of the key features of the EP2 is its ability to fold, making it easy to transport. We're starting out our test of the EP2 3.0 Boost, which I'll call the EP2 from now on the roads, because that's probably where most people are going to be using it, whether it's nipping around a campsite or popping to the shops. The semi-rugged tyres on the EP2 are suited well to the road because they have a bit of a smoother profile than some of the more aggressive off-road Engwe bikes. Being completely road legal in the UK and EU, there's no throttle on the EP2, but there is that handy boost button we talked about earlier. And we're just approaching a hill. I'm already doing 15.5 miles an hour, which is the speed limit for the electric bike. As it drops, I'm going to hit the boost button, and the power on the motor is making sure that I can get up to the top of this hill easily without any problems. Despite the poor state of the roads, the front suspension is making this a nice smooth ride, and that power assistance is making it easy. Again, we're approaching a hill. This time I'm not going to hit the boost button. We are in power assist level 5, so the motor is still going to assist me, but I can tell it's not quite as much as when I hit that boost button. Like many of Engwe's bikes, It's very much a sit-up bike, which makes it really casual and easy to ride. And assisted with those 7 Shimano gears for going, and the hydraulic disc brakes for stopping, then it's very much a good all-rounder. Bit of a hill coming up. This time I am going to hit the boost button. You can feel that extra surge of power from it. And although I do have to keep pedaling for that motor to keep going, I'm not actually putting in any effort at all. Despite the poor quality of the UK roads, putting the bike to the test already, we will be taking it off-road for our next test, where we'll see what it's really capable of. Now for this next section, rather than running at power assist level 5, the highest, I'm going to drop it down to power assist level 1, so the lowest. So this will give me the most amount of mileage out of the battery. Because of that, I'm going to drop a couple of gears because that assistance level is less, but it's still nowhere near as hard as it would be without any assistance at all. So I know I'm approaching a bit of steep hill here. I'm going to deliberately leave it in power level 1, but I'm going to hit that boost button again. So as soon as we start hitting the incline, hit the button, power comes on, means that I can safely get around this roundabout at speed, even though I'm on pretty serious incline. And that was on power assist level 1 because I was using that boost to take it up to full power when I needed it. Again, level 1, steepish hill coming up. Gonna hit that boost button, boost kicks in, full power from the motor, means that I'm still not having to try very hard to get up here. And I'm at the top with little to no effort, to be honest, even though I'm now back on level 1, now I'm on the flat. So what that means is that boost really does enable you to maximise the distance you can get out of a battery, letting you use lower levels of power. And here, because I've slowed down, I'm going to hit the boost button to help me get away from the start, and as you can see, it lets me accelerate away quite quickly.
So we've seen the EP2 performs well on road.
Cheers.
One challenge when going off the road is anti-motorbike gates, and though the EP2 is relatively heavy at 32 kilos, because of the battery location the bike is well balanced, meaning negotiating obstacles isn't a challenge.
Before we get to that off-road section, we've got this little section of what I call cycle track. As you can imagine, the bike performs just as well on here as it does on the road. What we'll do while we're on here is do a bit of a brake test. So we're not on the road, so it's a bit more safe with other vehicles around, and there's no people, so I'm going to try out those hydraulic disc brakes in 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, you can't ask better than that. So now we're onto some off-road trails with some nice bumpy, slippy sections, and that suspension and fat tyres really proving their worth on here. I have dropped the gears a little bit, but I'm running on power assist level 5. As you can see, grip's being maintained well, the bumps are being taken out by that front suspension, the fat tyres mean that I'm floating over any soft bits. and the bike really does seem to be holding up to it extremely well. And there's no rattles, no shakes, and I've got to say, very impressive for a bike that's, I would say, as good on the road potentially as it is off-road. Obviously it's not as light as a true mountain bike, but its rugged ability, powered assistance, price, load lugging capability really does make it a bike to be reckoned with. Ooh. Sure, you can see by the amount it's impacting the camera that this trail is far from the smoothest, but I can still get around it fast and safe with a minimum of effort. I haven't had to hit that boost button yet. I'd slow down there, so I'm going to try it out here to get up this little incline. Oh, that power applied perfectly as I needed it to get up that hill.
So whilst the EP2 3.0 Boost isn't the cheapest e-bike around, I have to say, as an all-rounder for on and off-road with the ability to fold, it's my favourite so far. Check out the links and offer codes in the video description to get the latest prices. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.